Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So I've got some new Pokemon card box over here, a mini booster box from Scarlet and Violet. Wow, I didn't expect that I find a Scarlet and Violet here in our place, which is called a Sari Sari store. But okay, it's I've been wanting Pokemon cards from a Sari Sari store, merchandising store, and now I just found it. So, and let's go and let's check this out, and then I know it's an F. It's an F. Okay, it's an F. This is an F card. So this is not a legit card. It is an F card. Okay, but I still have to see these cards. Okay, I still have to see these cards for uh to know it if I can find some holographic cards here. Okay, so let's go and gonna start it up. Okay, let's gonna start it up right here right now. So what gonna start, so let's gonna start for this one first. The box is already tear up, so I'm gonna have to tear this up. So and I've got as a sign. Okay, and what is this over here? So I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Okay, there it goes. So here it goes. I have is a Zacian. Okay. Oh, it's a Marip. Wow, look at that. It's a Marip full art. What art again? A Solrock and a Luxray. Look at that. Evolved from Luxio. Yes. This another. And what? Regigigas V-Star. Oh, okay. This is nice one. Oh, a Manaphy full art Manaphy. Look at that. So it's a Manaphy full art. So another full art. And I've got some Hatarini VMAX. Oh, nice one. Zamagenta. Okay. Zamagenta. And a Simisir V-Star. Oh, nice one over here. So Suicune V. Okay. It's a Suicune. Okay, look at that. So where can I put this one? Okay, right there. And another, okay, I have Keldeo. Okay, a Keldeo full art again. And a Luxio. Okay, and what? Zamagenta V-Star. Whoa, look at that. Look at that Zamagenta V-Star. And then a Zeraora. Oh, I have a Zeraora. Okay, I have a Zeraora. And also a Absol, full art Absol. Zacian V, Corfish, Carnivine. Okay, Blossom, Duraludon VMAX. Okay, where can I put this one? Okay, to the VMAX. And a Lapras full art. Okay, I already have a Lapras full art. Okay, and then what is this one? What is this? It's a Calyrex. Okay, it's a Calyrex. And a Ditto full art, sudden transformation. So this is, I already have this also. And a Radiant Charizard. Okay, I have already a Charizard. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, it's a normal type. What is this one? Okay, what is this one? Oh, Angry Walk. That's okay. English. Okay, it's an English card. Hammer in. What is this one? Whoa, it's a Regigigas V. Whoa, look at that. A legendary Regigigas. Look at that nice one. Card over there. So a Regigigas. Okay. That's a Regigigas. Okay, look at that. Nice one over there. Okay, nice pick over there. So also I found out that there's still 3 more mini box over when I saw it in a Sari Sari store. So I still have to buy those 3 boxes. Okay, I still have to buy those 3 boxes. So another full art Lunatone. Okay. Whoa, a Kyogre. Yes. What? A Kyogre? Yes, okay. Kyogre. Okay, where can I put this one? So I'm gonna put that one over there. And a Drapion. Okay. Whoa! A Leafeon V-Star. A Lithium V-Star. Oh, nah, okay. And a comfy full art. A Whalmer, okay. And also a Whaler. Oh, full evolution, okay. Full evolution. Miltank, okay. Full art and an Entei, okay. Work, okay. Legendary, okay. Okay, and a Mewtwo V-Star. What? Mewtwo V-Star. Oh, I didn't have this. I didn't have this. Okay, I didn't have this one. Okay, I think that was V Astro and a Volcarona. Whoa, nice one. Okay, and a Puchiana. Oh, how cute this one. Okay, Puchiana. So full art. What the Dioxys V-Star? Oh my God, this is an amazing. This amazing peak over there. Okay, amazing. Okay, and also I have some Voltorb, okay, Voltorb, okay, with that one, and Galarian Mr. Man, oh, nice one, Galarian, and a Snorant, and my God, Azira Aura V-Star. I got that V-Star, and what is this? What? Dioxys? Fusion Strike, Single Strike, and a Rapid Strike? You gotta be kidding me, guys. Look at that, so good. Oh, nice. Is that a it is not an holographic, but what can you say about this one? Single fusion and rapid. Okay, look, amazing, amazing. Okay, and a Raikou V. Look at that, a Raikou. Yes, a Raikou. Zarud. Okay, we have some Zarud over here. Legendary. What is this one? Okay, it's a Salandit. Whoa, a Pikachu. A Pikachu. Okay, it's a Salandit over there, and a Pikachu full art. Ooh, loved it. So cute. Look at that, so cute. Full art Pikachu. Okay, full art Pikachu and a Zacian. Okay. Oh, I don't know what is this one over there, but I think another got some. Okay. 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 The Cyan V-Star and the Magenta V. So, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that? Is that one? What is that one? Oh no! It's a fire type. It's a fire type. It's a fire type. It's a fire type. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, 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 come on. Oh, come on. It's a Charizard V-Star. Oh, 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 oh. I'm not expecting that one. I'm not expecting this one. I'm not expecting this one, okay? I'm not expecting this one, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm in tears. I'm in tears to get the Charizard V-Star. Woo, woo, whoa, whoa. Wow. Woo. Is a Charizard V-Star? Woo. Oh my God. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, Scarlet and Violet. So I'm gonna take that one again. I'm gonna get that 3 mini booster box. I'm gonna get that 3 mini booster box tomorrow. Okay. I'm gonna get that mini booster box tomorrow. Oh my God. Amazing. This is an amazing. It's amazing. Oh. 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 I can sleep right now. I can sleep right now. It's a Charizard V-Star. Holographic, semi-holographic, or a reverse card. So I don't know what is this kind of holographic. Is a reverse holo or a full holo. So tell me guys, what do you think of this? Because these cards are an F. These cards are these cards are an F card. This is not an L card, okay? But uh I just found out, I just found the Charizard V Star. So I am looking for the Charizard V Max, and also, yes, that one over there. Okay. So that's it for this vlog, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. That was interesting. That was an interesting vlog for full. That was an exciting part for this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and peace, everyone.